The question he had was, can you still take a business to court if you're retired? The answer to your question, Jonathan, is very simply that you can take a business to court if you're retired and you have a job there and you're injured on the job. And if you're receiving you're receiving a retirement check and you're also employed somewhere and you're injured on the job, you're entitled to workers' compensation benefits just like anyone else. Clark, is it the same way in South Carolina?
Basically, if I understand the question correctly, this perhaps is an individual that was injured while actually working for the employer, and then perhaps retired, lost the employment status. And as long as that injury occurs during the period of employment, sure, they can apply for benefits. There are certain timelines and guidelines which have to be followed in South Carolina, like in Georgia. If they're going to pursue that claim, generally speaking, they need to report the action, of course, immediately. And in South Carolina, if the employer is not paying benefits, they have 2 years from the day of the accident, generally speaking, to make sure that claim is filed.
Well, and Vic, a lot of times the injuries occur over a period of time. So you might be, whether it's picking up stuff or doing whatever, you might be doing something over a period of time, and those injuries kind of linger and then come later, right?
Yeah, you can have repetitive motion injuries. You see it a lot in manufacturing. People who are involved with production work, you have carpal tunnel problems. Sometimes you actually have vision problems with individuals working on computers all the time. So those are valid workers' compensation claims as well. It's not unusual that we would have to deal with those.
All right, well, if you'd like to be on Law Call tonight, you can give us a call and get your questions answered. Our panel, of course, Vic Hawk and Clark McCants, we'd love to hear from you. 803-442-4551 is the number to call if you'd like to be on with us tonight here on Law Call. We do need to take a break, and we'll be back with more in just